Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sai Nagashri, orthodontist from Ocean International Dental Hospitals, Madhapur. I hope everyone are doing good and safe. In the previous session, I have told you about the types of braces, its advantages and the recent advancements in orthodontic treatment, that is Invisaligners. In this session, I am going to cover about how you can brush your teeth efficiently with braces. Usually the patients who are undergoing orthodontic treatment or who wants to get their teeth to be straightened with the orthodontic treatment have few doubts. They are, can I brush my teeth normally with braces, or is it that hard to brush the teeth with braces? What happens if I won't brush my teeth with braces? These are the few questions which get piled up in patient's mind. And also I have observed in many of our cases that you already know that orthodontic treatment runs through months. So whenever the patient comes to the visit, we usually observe the food particles sticking to their teeth. If I ask the patient, even though they will tell that they are brushing twice daily, but still we can see their food particles stacking over there. So for that reason only today I am going to cover this session, how you can brush your teeth efficiently with the braces. Usually a person without braces usually concentrate on cleaning their teeth. But you should be more conscious in orthodontic treatment, that is the person should clean both the teeth and the bracket. It is the main thing we should be more conscious about. And also brushing your teeth with braces is not too different from brushing your teeth without braces. You can see these are the brackets which we are attaching onto the tooth surface at the beginning of your teeth. These brackets will act as a food obstructing agents. Whenever if you eat any food, it gets stick to these brackets. So if you won't clean that properly, it may lead to plaque formation and lead to other complications. In order to keep your gums and teeth healthy, you need to brush your teeth and floss your teeth properly with the braces in order to maintain the health of the gums and the teeth throughout your treatment. So what is the best brushing technique when the patient is undergoing orthodontic treatment? For the beginners, I have to tell you, you should mainly concentrate on the 5 surfaces of your teeth. That is the tooth surface which is visible in your mouth when you speak or when you eat. The surface which is visible should be cleaned properly. On this outer surface only we used to stick the brackets on the tooth surface, that needs to be cleaned, and then the inner surface of the tooth structure also needs to be cleaned properly, and this is the chewing surfaces. These are the 5 surfaces which needs to be cleaned properly to maintain the oral health neat. Now I am going to explain the brushing technique on a demonstration model. We need to hold the brush at a 45 degrees angulation towards the gum line. Actually you people have wondered what actually the gum line is. Gum line is the area where the gum meets the tooth surface, which needs to be cleaned very gently. We should hold the brush at a 45 degrees angulation towards the gum line, and we have to move the brush back and forth so that whatever the food substances lodged on the gum line will get loosened, and then we have to slide the brush downwards in order to remove the food debris which is stuck in the gum line area. And then we have to move the brush in a circular motion in order to clean the top surface of the bracket, and also in order to clean the bottom surface of the bracket, we need to move the brush in a circular motion. And then after completing the back tooth, we have to move to the front part of the tooth surface. Here also we need to do in a circular motion to remove the food substances which are accumulated on the bracket surface. Last but not the least, we have to brush our occlusal, means the chewing surfaces of the tooth also we need to brush in a back and forth motion so that the food debris which gets sticked over here also will be removed. Now the next question is, how long should I do the brushing technique with braces, and how many times should I do the brushing with when a patient is undergoing orthodontic treatment? Usually a person without braces will brush their tooth for 2 minutes, as it is the plain surface or the flat surface without any obstructing agents, we can brush very easily. But when a patient who is undergoing orthodontic treatment, he needs to brush his teeth as well as his brackets. So the patient get used to these angulated motions which I have described to you earlier, that is the 45 degrees angulation towards the gum line, and also in circular motions angulating upwards and downwards to the bracket surface. Once the patient gets used to these angulated motions, the brushing time can be reduced to 2 to 3 minutes. Until and unless he get used to it, he can extend the brushing duration of time to 2 to 3 minutes. What happens if we won't brush properly with braces? Usually everyone will spend their money and time for orthodontic treatment in order to correct their teeth and also smile. So if we won't brush properly, it leads to obstruction of food particles over the brackets, that leads to staining of your teeth and also discoloration of the teeth. So even though the teeth got straightened, that won't give the beauty for your teeth because because of the stains and the discoloration. So if you brush properly and floss your teeth, it will maintain your teeth and gums healthy throughout your treatment, and also it will give you a beautiful smile if you maintain the proper oral hygiene. If you have any concern regarding the orthodontic treatment, visit our clinic, Ocean International Dental Hospitals, Madhapur. Thank you.